So I just got back from the gym and I was thinking how after you work out, how much energy that you have and motivation starts to set back in. And I was just thinking to myself, I want to get this video out and just kind of start this first journey on putting some helpful things that I hope is helpful to all other entrepreneurs, potential real estate investors, specifically in the commercial realm. But I'm doing it with no script, just talking off the top of my head. So if I say a lot of ums and whoopsies and things like that, I hope you can bear with me. But I think it's important that, especially, I'm 47 years old, and I think at anyone over 40 it's not too late, right? We're not old, but we're not young anymore. And I feel that real estate really gives us an opportunity to pad our retirement. Just kind of, see, I'm still kind of like, oh, is anyone watching me? But I'm home, so it's not a big deal, right? But so I think commercial real estate in general is a powerful tool if you're looking to just kind of add to your retirement or look for some sort of financial freedom. And by no means am I there, but I've had a taste of it, and I have all the tools to make it happen. It's just that, sorry, I'm just grilling at the same time, cooking dinner for the kids. But I just find that it's a great tool where there's no real need for, in terms like education. Anyone can do it. It's just putting forth the effort. A little bit of chicken. Not that you really care, but it's just putting forth the effort of doing the research, your due diligence on really understanding the numbers. And that's why I'm starting to put out more and more information, helpful stuff for people that are looking to get into real estate. That it's real easy, but sometimes it's hard to organize your thoughts, and you want to be able to put together, at least be able to analyze properties to make a sound decision, because any investment that you do in real estate, it's a big investment, and whether you're using your own money or someone else's money. But I just wanted to get this out there and just kind of talk about it just a little bit, that I'm going to put more and more of these videos out, and I think I'll get progressively better at presenting the thoughts that I want to share with everyone that's interested in real estate, specifically, people that are little that are over 40. But anyone can do this, and I've done it. I've dabbled in a lot of different types of real estate, and I won't get into any of that right now, but I just wanted to get this first one out there and just kind of babble a little bit, get the jitters out, and just kind of present to you, because I know there's people out there that are interested, and they can get distracted with a lot of the shiny objects, paying for courses and things like that. It's not about that. It's about providing information to you, the investor or potential investor, that wants to invest in real estate. And I think I can help you with that. And I think it'll be good. So if you don't know, my name is Paul, and I have been in real estate on and off for several years now, but nothing consistent. So I'm looking to change that, and then if I can help some people along the way, that's what I'll do. Thanks for listening.